Hi dresser cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Labubu Drinking Boba. So let's get started. To draw this cute Labubu, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a curve, nice and wide. And then I'm going to come right underneath it and draw the eyes. I'm going to come down, kind of like I'm drawing an oval, nice and big. Come right back up. And then I'm going to come inside and draw a complete oval, more towards this edge. So about right here, as big as I can make it, just leaving a little bit of space and finish it off. Then I'll come in here, since I have enough space, I'll make them my Draw So Cute Labubu eyes. So I'll put in 2 circles for highlights and then a curve at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And we're going to do this. Oh, before I forget, sorry, I just thought it'd be cute to add some lashes right here. Some of the Labubus have that, so just add 3 little lashes right here. So let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across, say about this wide, and we're going to do the same thing. So right there, and once again, let's draw this ovalish shape, and about right here, and connect. And then this time we're going to draw the oval towards this edge a little bit more. So we're just leaving a little bit of space right at the bottom, and connect. And once again, the highlights inside, and a curved line at the bottom. There. Okay, so now that the eye's in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and draw the nose. So let's say about right here in the center, I'm just going to draw this curve, round it off, and then connect towards the center. Then, of course, we need to draw the big Labubu smile. So say about the center of this eye, I'm going to come out about this much. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, about right here, same amount of space. And we're just going to go ahead and draw a big curve right underneath the eyes. So about right here's the center. Then we're going to start to go right back up. There. And then we need to draw the teeth. So find your center about right here. And we need to draw 4 on this side. 2, 3, and 4. And then we need to draw 5 on this side. 2, 3, and then these 2 are a bit smaller to fit it. Okay, there. Then we need to frame the face. So I'm going to come to the center and say about right here in the center area, I'm just going to go ahead and just draw a little tuft of fur. So maybe just like 3 curves right there. And then we're going to start to draw this ovalish head. So we're just going to bring down a curve, and we're going to go around the eyes, around the mouth, and same thing here. Right there. And then we're going to get really close to the teeth. And same thing here. And I'm just going to stop there for now because I know I have a boba straw and I need to draw in there. But if you're using a pencil, definitely just finish the curve. Okay, so then from there we need to draw the outer layer of the head. So let's come back to the center and say about this wide. Once again, I'm just going to zigzag some tufts of fur right at the top. And then we're going to go all the way around. And as you go around, it's all up to you. You can just kind of zigzag a little bit just to make your Labubu look extra fluffy. But if you don't like that, you can just make it nice and smooth. But we're going to go wider here and then thinner as we come down. That's your goal. So same thing on the other side. So once in a while, I'll just zigzag a little bit. It really doesn't matter. It's up to you. And come down so much thinner. And let's see here. So I'll stop there as well. Just leave some space. And then let's go ahead and finish the ears. So this being our center, we're going to go up and I'm going to go to the left a little bit and to the right a little bit. So let's go ahead and pop out these ears, go up and then round off the tip. And if you like, you can zigzag as well. Come down. And so same thing over here. There. And then to draw some details inside, we're going to go with the first layer. And then in here, a smaller one. And so same thing over here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and let's draw the body. So I'm going to come to, let's see here, about right here, a little bit past the eyes. Same thing on the other side, but right here, just kind of centering the body. And I'm going to draw some arms. So I'm going to curve down, a zigzag here and there. We're going to curve in. So it's kind of like as if we're drawing the have a seat Labubu, but holding a big cup of boba. So now that we have this curve, I'm going to come in about right here and I'm going to draw a curve right there. Then kind of bring it in for the tiny arms. So then in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw the hand. So we're going to come with a thumb. Then the other fingers are just going to go this way. And just connect it with a curve. There, and then just finish it off. And let's do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag a point across approximately. So about right there. And once again, the thumb and fingers. There. And finish it off. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the sides right about here. And I'm just going to draw a curve coming down. Same thing here. To about, say, right there. And then, let's see here. Just kind of curve underneath the hand. So same thing here. Ball right there. And then in this space, we're going to draw a foot right underneath this arm. So it's like drawing a, I guess you would call it, kind of like drawing a tulip. So right about in this area, draw these zigzag points and connect it with a curve. There. So same thing right about here. So like a widen out W and then once again connect it with like a U. Right in this space. Okay, so then now we finally can draw our big cup of boba. So whatever space you've created, I'm going to come about, let's say, right here. Just kind of cutting off where the hand is. Same thing here. Right there. And then we're going to, now same height, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with a straight line. So I'm just trying to draw a very simple cup of boba, nothing fancy. And then I'll just come in here with another layer, maybe for like a cap detail. Then I'll bring down this cup all the way down. And right there, go ahead and connect it with a soft curve for the bottom of our cup. And then whatever space you have left, just finish off the bottom. And then we need to draw this big straw, so right in the center area. Just gonna draw this straw, nice fat straw right underneath the teeth and connect. And then we can come in here for some details, maybe just like a wave, so we know it's some liquid in here. And then we're going to continue the straw, because you can see it through the cup. There. And then, of course, let's see, I'm drawing some boba. So I'm just going to come back to the bottom here and just draw a bunch of circles. Just fit 3 at the bottom, so I'll just stagger them and try to make it look a little bit more random so it's not so stiff. But I'm trying to keep it about the same size. One here and one last one right here. There. And let's see, oh, I should have made this part curve and then in to match this side. And then almost forgot, let's go ahead and finish off the head, the face. So I was trying to figure out, maybe I should put the straw in the Labubu mouth, but it just didn't seem right. It needed the teeth. Okay, and so then one more layer. And connect. There, and that is pretty much it for my drawing here of a cute Labubu drinking a big cup of boba. I really hope you love this drawing and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.